Hey! Don't worry, nothing is wrong with me. I'm just saying it's how we say letter Y in Igbo. In English, it says Y. In Igbo, we say Ye. A few words in Ohafia to help you know how to use letter Y in Ohafia. We have Yéba. Yéba means to put something somewhere. Yéba. This is my cup. Iko. Yéba cup. Imite. Yéba, put in. Yéba, to put into something. Yéba. Yéya. Yéya. Yéya means put it in. So you are making soup. And I say, Gwerenu Yéya means take salt and put into it. Yéya no, put salt into it. Another word is Yérém. Yérém means add some for me. Yérém, add some for me. Yéturum. That is how you use letter Y in Ohafia. Now you know how to use those words. And of course, don't forget to follow, like, share.